Connecticut's calling from river and brook, with forest trails and boats that float. Let's meet the creatures that call it home. By the Long Island sound so blue, seals splash and play the whole day through. Waves roll gently, sky so wide, they flip and dive with joy and pride. In Mystic Town the whales go whoo, swimming slow in the ocean blue. They sing deep songs as they glide along, in waters calm where they belong. Owls in the trees of the quiet corner hoot at dusk like nighttime warners. With big round eyes in silent flight, they soar through stars each gentle night. Deer in the forest near rolling hills trot through leaves and drink from rills. With gentle steps and peaceful ways, they roam through woods in golden haze. Turtles sunbathe near sleepy streams, still as stones lost in their dreams. In marshy spots they blink and